Hey folks, this is the Lechuza pot, and it looks like any ordinary pot, but it's quite a sexy guy because of this. Most indoor plants die because of bad watering. In fact, 90% of them you've killed because of overwatering. The thing with this guy is it comes with a substrate, which has got fertilizer in it, and it comes with this really nifty watering system. So this little guy over here, look at that. This is like our level in our petrol tank. It tells us that's where the water is, that's the minimum, that's the maximum. And in the bottom here is the well. So the water sits in there. You put this gadget in, all right, that's got these wicks, and as the plant needs water, so it sucks it up. You will never drown the plant as long as you don't fill it above the maximum. As the plant needs it, so it comes up. Let's show you how easy it is. Literally, substrate. Let's take it, pop a bit in. You've taken your indoor pot plant and you've washed all the soil off it. Really important because it's going to be living in substrate. It's like kind of hydroponics on steroids. Take this guy. This is a beautiful peperomia called Zorro. And all we do now, pop some more of the substrate around. Fantastic. Just firm it down a little bit. All we've got to do now is just add the water in. Preferably take the rose off your little watering can. And you pour it in gently, nice and slowly, and all you're going to do is watch this guy over here. Let's keep an eye on him. Ah, there he goes, slowly, slowly. Oh, Bob's your uncle. There we go, all good to go. Remember, it's got the fertilizer in the substrate, it's holding it. As the plant needs the water, so it takes it up. After 6 months, use a liquid plant food like Nutri-Feed, which you simply mix into the water, pour it in, and so the plant can continue to grow nice and healthy. Easy, simple, no nonsense.